You just heard from the brother of Nnamdi Kanu, that is the person of Emmanuel Kanu. He's quite angry at the situation, at the entire outburst, and he's saying that it is warranted that Nnamdi Kanu is a human being. And of course, you know that some of these cases Nnamdi Kanu is raising now has been raised in the past, and the judge is saying that this particular questions and particular observations, applications, and motion Nnamdi Kanu is raising in the court cannot be sustained because these same issues have been trashed in the past. I still have one lady who was in court who experienced the entire outburst of Nnamdi Kanu here, and she's willing to speak to us. Come over, ma. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
What is your name?
My name is Lolo Nneka Chimezie, and I am the president of Igbo Women Assembly.
Well, what would you make of the entire outburst that happened inside the courtroom?
I mean, anybody in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's shoes will have that outburst.
Well, you think it's right?
Of course he is. I mean, what else can he do? What else can he say? If he is not allowed to exercise his fundamental human right, what else? You try to protest in the best way or in any way you can. I mean, I've witnessed these proceedings on 2 occasions, and I am so disappointed. And in fact, Nigeria should arrive, because I think we are at war with the judiciary. Not just Nnamdi Kanu's case. If you look at the judgments and counter judgments of the judiciary, I mean, it's alarming. It's destroying this country. Remember.
But let me hold you there. The judge is saying that some of these issues that Nnamdi Kanu is raising has been raised in the past and has been addressed. The judge is saying that Nnamdi Kanu was given ample time to open his defense, which he declined severally. That is the position of the judge. What do you make of this statement?
Now, the point is that not that he declined. He opened his defense by cross-examining the witnesses. But what he's saying is that he has nothing to defend, because even the law at which they are trying him does not exist. That they are trying him on a repealed law. So there's nothing to defend there. Not that, I mean, in cases where he has to do something in terms of defending himself, like cross-examining the witnesses, he did. But when you now ask somebody to defend something that does not exist, he will tell you that there is nothing to defend there. I think that is the message Nnamdi Kanu is trying to pass.